Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra. Today we will learn another Python program. We will see how to write a Python program to count occurrence of given character in a string. So basically, if we have a string, for example, we have a string and let me just write it learn Python. Okay. So this is our string, and what we want to find here, we want to find the number of occurrence of a given character. So let us take another variable character, okay, and let us find how many times this e present here. Okay. So in this particular string, how many times e present? So here we can see it present only once, right? Learn Python. So how you will find it? So let us take another variable count, okay, and let us assign the value as 0 to it. Okay. So basically we have taken three variables, okay. One is string, and this is the string learn Python, and then which char, okay, which one you want to, which character you want to count. So that we have taken, and then we have a count, again we have taken count and we have assigned 0 to it. Okay. So basically this is integer, these two are strings. Okay. Now what we will do, we will write one simple for loop. Okay. So for I in range, so for I in the range, what is the range we will take here? We will start from 0 and we will say length of this string, okay, length of the string. Then what will say? Another if block, if string of I is equal to char, then what will say? Count is equal to count plus 1. Simple, that is all. Okay. Then you can say print the, or you can say total number of occurrence is here you can write count. Okay, that is all. Now let us execute and see. Okay. See, total number of occurrences 1. Learn Python today. Let me write it, and here I will add t. So basically the string I have taken learn Python today. So why I have taken it? Because I want t to count, and t is present twice here, right? So that is why I have taken t here. So let me run and execute. See, total number of occurrences 2. Okay. So I will take one small example, so that will be easy for you to understand. Okay, A B C D E or A B B C D. Okay, and here we will count B, and I will show you, I will explain you with this, so it will be easy for you, right? So B present twice. So how this works, let me explain you, right? So basically we have taken three variables here. One is string and then character. In the string is the actual string where we want to find, and this character, which character we want to find, and then count, it is again integer type, and we have assigned 0 to it. Then we have taken a for loop for I in range 0 to this length of the string. We want to basically loop through this particular string, right? So from here 0 to this, so from 0th position to this position, okay, till d. So if you just want to see what is the length of this string, so you can just do print, and you can say length of the string is, sorry, this was correct, right? Length of the string. Okay, let me just execute one more time. Okay. So it is telling length of the string is 6. See here 3, 3, 6. Okay. So, here your loop or your range will be from 0 to 6. Okay. So, if your range is 0 to 6, it means it will execute for which and all values? For 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So, the very first value for I will be 0, right, because this range is starting from 0. Here we are telling, right, range is 0 to length of the string. So, it will start from 0. Then what will happen? If string of I means string of 0, okay, string means this string, right, string of 0. What is present in string of 0? A, right, this is A is equal to char. What is the char value? Char value is B. If A is equal to B, no, right. So, it will not come inside, okay, it will not come inside, it will go up, okay. What is the I value now? So, the I value will be 1, okay. So, when the I value will be 1, again it will come here. If string of I means string of 1, what is string of 1? String of 1 means B. If B is equal to char, what is the char value? B, right. Then what we will say? Count equal to, so basically this condition matched, right, that is why it will come here. Then we will say count equal to count plus 1. What is the previous value for count? It was 0, because initially we have assigned 0. So, 0 plus 1 means it will be 1, right. So, now the count value is 1, again it will go up. Now, I value will be 2. If string of 2, if string of I means string of 2 is equal to char, again see string of 2 is nothing equal to B, right. So, B is equal to B, yes. So, again count equal to count plus 1. Now, count value is 1. So, 1 plus 1, it means now count value is 2, okay. Again it will go up, I value will be 3. So, string of 3 means what is there? C, right. So, is it equal to B? No. Again it will go up. Now, I value is 4. String of 4 is equal to char? No. Again it will go up, because it is D, right. Again it will go up. Now, fifth value, right, I value will be 5. String of 5 is equal to char? No, because D is not equal to B. So, the loop is finished now. Now, it will come here and it will print this line, total number of occurrences count. So, what is the count value? This count value is 2, that is what you are seeing here, okay. So, this is simple. If you will add one more time also B, and if you will run, see it is 3. Now, the length of the string is 7, okay. So, in this way you can easily find, okay, what is the count, okay. One more thing, if you just want to do the user input, right. So, you can just write input, okay, enter a string, okay. Same thing you can do here, input, enter a character, okay. So, let me just execute. See here, enter a string. So, we will enter A, B, C, D, E, F, 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 okay. See F present here 5 times, and which character you want to search? For example, F. So, it should give us 5, right. See, total number of occurrences is 5. So, this is how you can easily find the count of a character which is present inside a string, okay. One more easiest way I will tell you, okay. So, for now let me just comment it, okay. Now, what we will do? Very easy, right. So, you just need to find a count, okay. You can comment this also, okay. So, what you will do? We will just write. So, this is one inbuilt method we will use, okay, Python inbuilt function. Count is equal to, so we have one string, right, this string dot count function you can use, okay. So, here what will give? Which particular character you want to find, right. So, here we want to find let us say B, okay, or here you can say this is, okay, because we are giving the user input, right. So, we will say char. Okay. Now, that is all. Now, you just print it. Okay, that is all. Now, let me execute. Okay, so enter string, for example, A, B, B, C, D, D, and then character is D. See, total number of occurrence is 3. So, this D is present 3 times, right. So, that is what you can see here. So, basically this is one line code only, right. So, what you are doing here, also if you do not want to write it in one line, you can directly do this. Okay, you can comment out this. Okay. So, basically you are using inbuilt Python method, okay, and then you are passing this particular character what you are trying to search. This is the string, this is the character. Okay, one line you can find it. Okay. So, this is a very easy program. Okay, this is how you can write a Python program to count occurrence of a given character in a string. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, please press the like button, share it with your friends. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe. Also, do watch all other Python programs which I have created. I have created a separate Python program playlist. Okay, please go and do watch all other programs. Those are very helpful for your interview. So, that's all for today. Thank you so much. Bye bye.